everybody clap your hands. Now stop. I feel it in the air right now. It's all around, I see it everywhere. It's the power. Yeah, God's power. It's the power to move any star. It's the power to heal your broken heart. It's the power. Yeah, God's power. So don't hold back, no, don't hold still. God is here and He is real. Take 4 steps to the left, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it around and move to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now take tiny little jumps forward to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps back, but you better look back. Let's do it all again right now. Take 4 steps to the left, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it around and move to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now take tiny little jumps forward to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps back, but you better look back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now freeze. And everybody clap your hands. Now stop.
I am so excited. Yesterday, I read all about the gold rush that happened a long, long time ago. People would rush here on trains to find gold. They traveled here from far away. They came to these mountains which stretch so far to find some gold. So I'm going to search for gold today. I know I'm going to find some sparkly, shiny specks of gold.
What you doing, Christina?
I'm panning for gold.
Gold? I don't think there's any more gold left. You're probably wasting your time.
Nope, I'm hopeful that I'm going to find some.
Well, before you get to digging, what's this light all about?
Oh, that's my flashlight that helps me shine light on the dirt so I can find the gold that's in the dirt and the rocks.
Oh, yeah? Can I use it?
Yeah, let's do it together.
Okay. Looking for gold, looking for gold. No way! No way! I think we got some gold!
Wow! You looked really closely when you were searching for that gold. I'm going to keep looking.
Yeah.
I found some! I found some gold too!
Boy, looking for gold is sure a rush. That's probably why it was called the gold rush.
To find the gold, we had to search for it, look closely, and change the way we looked at things. We even had to ask a friend to help us. Today we've been learning about hope. Let's make some cool connections. Think about what Cammie and I had to do to find gold. Now, I want you to think about this. How is looking for gold and how is looking for hope similar? Sometimes all we can see is the yucky stuff in our life, like this dirt. There doesn't seem to be much hope or good in the world. But Jesus, His power gives us hope. It feels amazing, special, and even like gold when we find hope. But sometimes you have to keep your eye open to find it. You have to move aside and let the yucky stuff go by so that you can see the good and have hope. So you can let Jesus, His light, shine in the dark areas and you can find the hope there. That's one reason we're shining a light on God sightings this week. When you see God in action, evidence that He is doing good, it gives us hope. Now let's stand and sing, In You Alone. Our hope comes from Jesus. It's been a rockin' day on the rails.
God of heaven and earth, you are amazing.